Hello everyone and welcome to eForms Mobile. Today we're going to be talking about how to send out a task to a certain user. So we're on our main homepage right now. If you go over to the left, you'll see Task and Dispatch. Click that and it'll drop down, and then click on Current Task. Right now you can see all of the different tasks that we have and all the users that they're assigned to. If you want to go ahead and create a new one, you can go up to the top right corner and hit Add New. And we're not going to complete one from a template. We're just going to go ahead and create a new blank task. So up in the top here in the description, what you can do is you can name the task. This is what will show up on the user's mobile phone or device whenever the task actually shows up. So let's say enter data. Underneath that, there's a drop down menu where you can click that, and if you want to go ahead and select the user that it's actually being sent to, then a little bit lower, the expected start. This is whenever they're actually going to start the task, whenever it's going to show up on their phone that it's due. So let's say this one starts on the 25th. This is the time right here. Let's just go for 12. The completed by, we'll give them one whole week to do that. Go back to noon again. Then enter in the time zone that you have. We're in Eastern time right here in Indiana, so we'll leave that there. If you have any other additional information that you want to show up on the task whenever it's assigned to the user, you can enter in all that data right here. For now, I'm just going to leave that blank. If you scroll down some more, you can actually see a map, and you can set a GPS location where the task needs to be completed. So if you have a crew that needs to fill out a timesheet before they leave the worksite, you can assign that here. Under advanced options, if you want to display any specific icon or allow the user to reject the task, you can check mark this box or choose one of these little handy dandy icons. Once you have all this data filled out the way that you would like, you can scroll up and click Activities in the top right corner. And this takes us to what will happen whenever they actually click on the task. So if we want them to fill out a certain form, we'll choose Fill Out a Form. Then we can choose which form that they would be filling out. So if we wanted them to fill out a daily crew sheet, whenever the task is assigned to them, and they click on it, it'll open up that form. There's a couple other options that you can choose as well, like instructions. If you want them to where they click on the task and it just shows them a list of things to do, you can type all that in this activity details box and it'll show it to them. Or if you're updating a policy and you have a Word document containing all the information that you want to send out to them, you can choose Read Doc. You can choose which Word document, Excel document, whichever that you're sending out. Whenever they click on it, it'll open up that Word document. But for now, we're going to go back to Fill Out Form. We'll just choose one of these, like Daily Crew Sheet. And so at this point, you are technically done with your task. What you'd do now is you'd go up to the top right corner and hit Save. And that would save it where you are. You can send it out at a different time. Or if you're done with everything and you're ready to send it to the user, you can hit the gray button right next to Save, and it'll send it out to the user's phone.